If you're looking for a show on Netflix but you cannot find it, it's probably because the catalog changes every country. So maybe you're traveling, maybe you've moved, maybe your favorite show you cannot watch anymore. Well, guys, I found the best VPN to solve this problem, and it is Expressvpn. If you watch this video, you're going to learn how to watch any Netflix show or film on any category in any country, no matter where in the world you are. So let's get into it. Now, guys, there's a link down below if you want to get involved right now, but you can see on the right-hand side, I've got ExpressVPN, and here I have my Netflix. So I'm going to show you an example. I'm now in Indonesia, okay, and it's going to say here the #1 in TV shows today, all right, is Love Next Door. Now, that's in Indonesia. For example, if I connect to the Netherlands, if I just click this button, okay, you'll see it load up and quickly connect in less than 5 seconds. Now, if I refresh Netflix, let's see what the #1 in TV shows in the Netherlands is today. Okay, so if we go to TV shows on here, we scroll down, the #1 is The Worst Ex Ever. Okay, so this shows you that is now a new catalog. So using this as an example, okay, you can now watch different TV shows, different films inside Netflix just with one click of a button. So for an example, let's see what the Australian #1 TV show is. Okay, we've connected to ExpressVPN in Australia and Sydney. I'm going to refresh this Netflix, and now I'm going to get a whole new category. Okay, some will be repeated. There might be some big shows that are on every country, but majority of the ones that you will probably miss out on when you go to a new country will be in the big countries like Australia, UK, America, okay, will have more to the categories than, say, the Philippines or Indonesia, for example. Okay, if I scroll down, you're going to see it is still The Worst Ex Ever that is the #1 in Australia. So Australia is pretty similar to the Netherlands. So there you go, guys. That's how you change the categories of Netflix with the VPN. Now, ExpressVPN, you can get an incredible deal. An incredible deal right now with the link down below, guys, and you can use a 30-day risk-free. So you don't even have to risk your money. What that means is when you pay, if you are not happy with the service after 30 days or just up to 30 days, cancel at any time, guys. Get your money back. So get involved right now. It's the #1 trusted leader in the VPN. It's what I recommend for moving around the countries. Ease of use, one click, and watching any show you want on Netflix. Hit the like button, hit subscribe, with the bell if you're notified. Hit the link down below, get our offer, and let's get ExpressVPN.